Good afternoon, everyone. This is Saro Arakelians, your clinical pharmacist. Welcome to another episode of Pharmacy Talk USA. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video to receive more notifications on daily basis on medications, news, and updates. So, FDA requires major changes now to opioid pain medications, labeling the risk of these medications. So, FDA is basically requiring a safety labeling changes to all opioid pain medications to better emphasize and explain the risks associated with taking these medications, especially long term. These changes follow a public advisory committee meeting in May that happened, that they reviewed the data um, showing the serious risk to health of the patients, such as misuse, addiction, both fatal and non-fatal overdoses of these patients, and those that take opioids, especially for a long period of time. Tragically, the new drug application for OxyContin was initially approved without study data supporting its long-term use to treat pain in many patients' population for which it has been prescribed and has caused many adverse events. The updated labeling changes reflects robust data from two large FDA required observational studies. One was the post-marketing requirement 30331 and 30332, which recently provided new data on how much or how long basically long-term use of opioids can lead to serious adverse events and cause how much of side effects it may cause. After reviewing these results and public comments, medical research, and recognizing the absence of adequate and well-controlled studies on long-term use of opioids, FDA has decided to require safety labeling changes to help healthcare professionals and patients make treatment decisions appropriate and less risky. So FDA has required an additional prospective randomized controlled clinical trials to directly examine the benefits and risk of long-term opioid use. The agency will be closely monitoring this progress and this clinical trial requiring to see the effects. The labeling changes will include a few changes, such as clear risk information, dosing, warning, and clarified use limits, treatment guidance, overdose reversal agents, and drug interactions for healthcare professionals and patients, especially taking them. So again, it's a safety analysis now that FDA is taking on to evaluate the use of opioids, overuse of opioids, and a change of labeling that will be as an outcome to provide more clear information on the opioid usage, their interactions, overdose, what to do with the overdose, and basically making it more safe to use for patients. For more detailed information, refer to the FDA website under opioid pain medications. You will see this news update for opioid pain medications labeling changes. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, stay safe and take your medications.